G'day, my name's Adrian O'Neill and I'd like to introduce you to the R&R Bead Breaker product range. To start off with, we'll just go through what is in the heavy duty kit. Okay, now obviously the carry bag should be there. We'll just get rid of that. Now most importantly, the bead breaker should be in there. We should have the tyre spreading attachment. 2 tyre levers, a puncture repair kit, and all of your instructions, including this DVD. The bead breaker itself, you should have the pivot point for the tyre spreader, which will also become our retaining bolt when we're working on up to 18-inch rims. Above 18-inch rims, we'll be using this little retaining bolt here. We've got a bolt holding the nose plate in place, and our nut should have a circlip on it and a bit of a warning sticker there. We'll run through that in a moment. With the pivot points, everything should be in place. Anything's not, obviously get on the phone and give us a call. Okay, the tyre levers, all the punch repair gear, your instructional video, and all your normal written instructions with some diagrams and that to follow through that once we've gone through the video. Okay, we'll run through the puncher kit first. We've got our written instructions with some good little diagrams on the back of that for you to follow through as well. We've got a brush to apply the lubricant. We'll mix the lubricant up to help us get the tyre on and off. We've got a valve tool for taking the valve out. We'll give you some spare valve cores, an actual valve teat, some marking chalk to mark the tyre as we work through it. Our patches for tubes, large through to small. So the glue we'll use just for tubes. The blue glue is only to be used for tyres, whether we're plugging or patching the tyre. The radial patches for the tyre itself. We have a stitcher for applying the patch. A hand rasp with a couple of spare blades for preparing the area that we're going to patch. We have 10 repairs for doing plugs, a little trimming knife for trimming off anything we may need to, and our tools for putting the plugs in, preparing the area for the plug. We'll run through and show you how to put a plug in first of all. Okay, so we'll just open up and start ourselves off getting out the gear we need for doing the plug. That's our reaming tool to start off with, and this is the tool we use to insert the plug in. We'll get a couple of plugs out. And we'll need a bit of glue. Now it's not a bad idea to try and cut this open neatly if you can, so we can put some things back in there and seal it back up again just to keep all the dust and garbage away from everything.